In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim whitespace on Google Sheets. If you've ever copied data into a spreadsheet and found that things don't match, sort, or filter correctly, stray spaces are often the culprit. Trimming whitespace cleans that up so your data behaves the way it should. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, open the grid-shaped app launcher and choose Google Sheets. This brings you to your list of spreadsheets. Open the document you want to fix so you're looking at the sheet with the messy text or numbers. Pick an empty cell where you want the cleaned result to appear. This keeps your original data untouched, which is helpful for double-checking before you replace anything. Click that empty cell to select it. Now type an equals sign, then start typing the word trim. As you type, Sheets suggests functions. Click Trim to autocomplete the function name so you don't mistype it, and to see its small hint about what it does. With Trim now on screen, click the cell that contains the text you want to clean. You'll see that cell's reference appear inside the parentheses after Trim. That tells Sheets exactly which value to process. Next, type a closing parenthesis to finish the formula. Press Enter. You'll immediately see a cleaned version of the original text in the cell where you entered the formula. Trim removes any leading spaces at the beginning, trailing spaces at the end, and squeezes multiple spaces in the middle down to a single space. This small change can fix lookups, sorting, duplicates checks, and formatting issues that were caused by invisible or extra spacing. If you need to clean more than one cell, you can reuse the same approach. After you've confirmed the first result looks right, you can copy that formula or drag the small square fill handle at the corner of the cell to apply it to adjacent rows. Each copied formula will reference the corresponding cell in its row, returning a cleaned version alongside your original values. Remember, the formula doesn't overwrite the source data, which is great for verification. Once you're satisfied with the cleaned results, you can choose to keep them in place or use them to replace the original entries using standard copy and paste values. That's all there is to it. You opened your sheet, selected a destination cell, typed the trim formula, pointed it at the messy value, closed the parenthesis, and pressed Enter to clean things up. With this quick technique, your Google Sheets will be neater, more consistent, and ready for accurate analysis.